Now, StormWatch 12 weather with meteorologist Marissa Walzan.
Well, today temperatures were a bit cooler than what we saw yesterday, and they're going to continue to slide as we head throughout the week. We're looking at some very cold Arctic air on its way. But today in Grants Pass, getting up to 52 degrees, about average for today. 47, though, in Medford, as you can tell, below average, and even further below average in Klamath Falls, where the high today was only 36 degrees. Not picking up any rain in Medford, but other places actually picking up some rain throughout the day, mainly this morning, picking up just a few hundredths of an inch across the area. Here's a look at highs across the rest of the area. 41 today in Lakeview, 38 in Alturas. Heading along I-5, looking at 45 in Roseburg, though only 33 in Mount Sexton. Once again, 47 in Medford, 44 in Montague, 44 also in Mount Shasta this afternoon. And out along the coast, 49 in Brookings and 50 in Crescent City. So warm temperatures still along the coast, but your temperatures as well are going to slide once we head into the middle and end of this week. Right now across the area, looking at those low to mid 40s along the coast. Along I-5, chilly at Mount Sexton, 28 degrees there. Still in the low 40s in Medford, but at freezing in Montague. Looking at those 30-degree temperatures also into Mount Shasta, though 34 there. Klamath Falls at 28, even sitting at 28 degrees in Lakeview. So some cold air moving on in. You're looking at those teens as we move into tonight. Satellite radar showing plenty of clouds across the area. Most of the shower activity well to our north up into the Willamette Valley and the western slopes of the Cascades due east of the Willamette Valley. For our area, we're just looking at hit or miss clouds, but they are beginning to thin a bit. So as we head into tonight, looking at partly cloudy skies, and we'll see more sunshine as we head into tomorrow. That's because this high pressure ridge is going to try to build a bit. It's not going to take over complete control of our weather. We're going to kind of remain right on the boundary from this high pressure system and an upper level low just further to our north. So once again, high pressure not going to take full control. However, our weather is going to look like high pressure is in full control, and that means mostly sunny skies once we get into tomorrow, then on into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But we're looking at some very cold temperatures on the way, like I've been mentioning. I'll get to it in the 7-day. Here's a look at what you can expect over the next 24 hours as we put things into motion. You can see the showers moving out of the area. So do those clouds. However, once we get into the later parts of tomorrow, we will see those clouds increase along the coast, Southern California as well, with a weak system, but it's not expected to bring much in terms of rain or even snow to the higher elevations across the area. So along the coast tomorrow, expect mostly sunny skies. Highs will be back into the mid to upper 40s, a lot like what you saw today. For those in Northern California, expect highs ranging from the low 40s all the way into the upper 40s, keeping it mostly sunny as well. For those in the Klamath Basin, highs a bit cooler. You're looking at temperatures only into the low to mid 30s. Overnight lows will be into the teens, so a chilly night ahead. For those in the mountains, also seeing those temperatures dipping into the teens in a few spots. By the afternoon, expect highs into the 30s, even the 40s on the western slopes of the Cascades and Siskiyous. And for those in the Rogue Valley, expect high temperatures tomorrow, about what we saw today, mid to upper 40s, mostly sunny skies across the area. 7-day forecast along the south coast. We'll have a slight chance for a shower on Wednesday with that weak wave that's bringing those clouds in late tomorrow night, but nothing too impressive. We'll just see an increase in clouds. But take a look at those temperatures Thursday and Friday, looking at low 40s for the highs, overnight lows even below freezing, which is a bit unusual for the coast, usually keeping things rather moderate out there. For those in Northern California, expect mostly sunny skies tomorrow, but our temperatures also sliding, looking at them to fall near freezing for the high temperatures Thursday and Friday. Overnight lows into the teens both Thursday night and Friday night. Then as we head through the weekend, we will see warmer temperatures. However, we're looking at some rain and even a wintry mix once that front first makes its way through the area Saturday. So good storm approaching this weekend. For the Klamath Basin, we're looking at our temperatures to slide into the upper 20s by Friday, overnight lows into the teens. Then as we head into the weekend, we're also going to see some good snow showers. For the mountains, also going to see the snow in the weekend, but some cold temperatures to end this week. And for the Rogue Valley, also the same. Our temperatures sliding not as far. Highs will be into the low 40s. Overnight lows, though, into the low 20s, even possibly a few teens. And then after that, we're looking at a good storm this weekend. And I know you really want to get out and go skiing every single week. You always want to tell me, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. This storm looks pretty good.